Hi guys!
Hi!
Anong gagawin natin?
We're gonna play
Trouble
this
game.
Trouble game.
Yan. Ito, sino ba to?
Fluffy. He's my stuffed animal when he sleeps with me.
Opo.
Okay, guys, let's get started playing. First, we gotta set this up.
Ilalagay sa tamang color.
Blue,
color
and
yan?
yellow, and green, and red.
Green and red. Good job. Then how to play that?
You press this. Wait, first you get a thing. You start first, and then you press this. If you get a number, you step on like this. One, two.
Good job.
So that's how you play the game.
Hanggang up to
Up to here. If you get to here, you go here, and then here, and then here, and then here.
Opo.
And then you won the game, and then we're gonna play again.
Yes. Ganyan mo para ganda. Yan.
Puppy, why are you laying down?
Yes.
Puppy, silly.
Is puppy girl or boy?
Girl.
See what she's watching you.
Yeah. Wait, actually, yellow and red mixed to makes orange because I'm holding yellow and red.
Yeah.
But there's no orange.
When you mix it,
It makes to make orange.
yellow and red. Wow. Ano pa ang pag minix ay magiging
Green?
like sa white, ano?
I don't know.
Ay, hindi pala. Pink.
Pink. Red and white mixed to make pink.
Good job. Okay.
And blue and yellow mixed to make green.
Green, okay.
Green only has one, so let's get the red and then all of the green.
Okay.
There's only 3 left.
Good job.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay, let's rock, paper, scissors. Who's gonna go first?
Yeah, Puppy's doing it too, look.
Rock, paper, scissors. Oops. Careful.
It fell. It's going on Puppy's side.
Okay.
Also the blue. Oh no. Okay.
Wait lang.
Okay. Puppy needs to do blue. Rock,
1, 2, 3.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
Okay, I go first.
Okay, anong color mo?
Blue.
Blue, okay.
And Puppy?
Ako na lang.
He said yellow.
Red ako, red.
Okay.
Okay, you go first.
Okay.
Uy. Ay, okay. Okay, we're gonna put it all. Mag-ano ka muna?
3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Good job. Si Mami.
I'm catching up.
2.
I'm just joking.
1, 2. Si Fluffy naman.
Ah, Puppy's yellow. She gets 5.
Ah,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She's on my side. Good job, Puppy.
Okay, your turn.
It's hard. 2. 1, 2.
Okay, si Mami.
I'm on your side. Okay, go, Puppy. 4. She gets the highest numbers.
Yung kanina, 5 ngayon, 4.
Yeah.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
4
4.
lang.
She's on my side.
Ikaw na.
Yeah. Yeah.
1,
1.
3.
I can just go
1,
right
2,
here. I can just chill with the other reds.
Okay, si Fluffy na.
She did it. 2.
2.
1, 2.
Good job. Ikaw.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
I'm catching up, Mommy. 6.
1, 2, 3,
When it turns
4,
around,
5,
it looks
6.
like 9, guys. But it's not 9, it's 6.
Oh,
My turn? Oh, it's Fluffy's turn.
Lappy. Yeah.
2. Where's Puppy? Oh, 1, 2. My turn.
1.
1.
My turn.
1.
2.
2.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ilan?
3.
3. Si Fluffy yan.
Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, your turn. 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm catching up to my side.
Oh my God. 1.
1.
1, 2.
1. Puppy
Uy,
turn.
si Fluffy yun.
Oh!
And then, yeah, 1. And
One.
then, your turn, 4. Ay na nga, eh, 4 na nga.
1. We got all ones.
Okay.
Oh.
6.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, 6.
Okay, si Fluffy yan.
I know, I'm just pressing it. 1,
Ayun. Ikaw.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Puppy, you're almost there.
3.
3.
1, 2, 3. Almost.
You're almost there. Me too. I'm almost to my side.
2. Si Fluffy yan.
Okay. 1, 2. Guess what, guys? The last time there was a mosquito and it bite me 3 times.
Saan?
Right here and right here and right here.
Oh my God. Ewan ko pa, parang may kumakagat din sa akin eh. Kainis yung lamok nila.
Yeah, but I killed it earlier. You remember?
Ano yung papel?
Yeah.
Oo,
Is it me?
ito.
Okay. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
I'm so close. I hope I get 2. If I
Six.
get
Ayan
if
na,
I
ano?
get 6,
1, 2,
if I get
3.
6, I
Dito na
don't
ako,
go.
anak.
If I get 6, I don't go. If I get 2, I go.
Okay, si Fluffy.
Okay. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Ito. Okay.
My turn. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hindi, dito na. Okay, my turn.
No, it's Fluffy's turn.
Tapos na siya. Ako muna.
Oh.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Si Fluffy.
1. 1. You're so close.
Ikaw.
It's hard. 6. 1,
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Si ako. 1.
1. I'm tired.
Si Fluffy na.
It's hard.
1.
1. 1, 2,
1 lang.
1. My turn.
2.
1.
Tapusin na natin dito. 10 minutes. So,
Minute.
oh, dali na. Mag-bye ka na.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our videos if you want more videos. Bye!